Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game error, and the error is launch error, easy anti-cheat is not installed. So if you're getting this error in Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game, then here follow the steps I mentioned in this video very carefully. Step to fix the error. What you have to do, you have to delete the EOS_EAC_setup folder and verify the integrity of game files, and it will download the missing files and folder, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So here I will show you how to do it. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage, and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Open the MTFS folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Open this folder, prerequisites folder, and here you will see EOS_EAC_setup folder. First right click on it and then select delete to delete it. After deleting it, open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then click on properties. Go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And then wait for verifying integrity of files process. And once the 100% verification of the file has been done, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So kindly wait for this verification process to get completed. It will download the missing files and folders, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these steps, you can easily fix easy anti-cheat is not installed error in Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.